as you said, natural is vegan, vegan is natural,
Hmm.
right? But what is the difference between natural and organic? क्योंकि बहुत सारे लोग इन चीज़ों से ही इवेल्युएट करते हैं कि यार मेरे को नेचुरल प्रोडक्ट यूज़ करना है, मेरे को ऑर्गेनिक प्रोडक्ट यूज़ करना है, मेरे को वीगन प्रोडक्ट यूज़ करना है, या मुझे केमिकल बेस्ड प्रोडक्ट पे जाना है. व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस?
See, the thing is, what is natural, what is organic is natural.
ओके
But what is natural is not organic.
ओके.
Organic is when we take a natural ingredient only, say coconut oil है और उससे हम सोडियम लोराइल एथर सल्फेट बनता है, SLES, जो कि डिटर्जेंट है. हम उसको जब हम बनाते हैं, there are certain in processing there are certain chemicals which are used, which are not GMO approved.
जी.
Okay, so when they are used to make this ingredient, this doesn't take that product away from being natural source. है तो उसका natural source ही, तो natural रह जाता है. But when they do the same processing, they do it in a different way, and they do it without using any without any GMO ingredients. Then what happens, process becomes a little lengthy sometimes.
Okay.
Duration बढ़ जाती है, cost बढ़ जाती है, क्योंकि आप आउटपुट उतना नहीं निकाल पाते जितना आप दूसरे में निकाल पाते हो. So organic products, then they give you a eco certified label also on that ingredient, that yes, this is eco certified approved product. So we use a lot of certain ingredients which are organic. So organic always comes with the certification that it is eco approved, that it is nothing, no environment has not been harmed, no chemicals have been used either in the processing or anything. The shelf life of that product may be smaller, may not be as big, and the preservative also added to that ingredient are all GMO approved. They are all 100% natural and very soft preservatives. So that makes that ingredient cost go up. When the mass production of those ingredients also starts, like the eco certified, the price come down.
Okay.
But not all ingredient is mass produced, so the prices will remain on the higher side. So which is why most of the actives, if an active is directly sourced from, say, sunflower seeds, any natural source, it will come with the EcoCert. I mean, it is because उसमें कुछ लगा ही नहीं हुआ, तो उनको कंपनीज को मोस्टली ये जो अप्रूवल्स हैं, मोस्टली सारे इंग्रेडिएंट्स या तो जर्मनी से आ रहे हैं, यूएसए से आ रहे हैं, फ्रांस से आ रहे हैं. इन ये लोग ये सारे आपको, there are distributors in India who bring in those things, and quantities also is 1 kg packs only.
Okay.
You don't have to take a huge quantity of those actives. So those are all eco certified approved. Certain companies, what they do is that, say they are making a particular product and it is the active is going, say it is pea extract. The pea extract is eco certified organic. So they will say that my product is organic. So because they are saying it is a pea shampoo. So pea shampoo is like which is it is good for, say they'll say that it's a hair fall, this thing or anything, that is organic. So not all the ingredients. So nowhere on the label they are going to mention this, that only one ingredient or a star organic, or 3 stars on 3 products. Like if the formulation has, say 12 or 14 whatever ingredients, so अगर कुछ natural है तो लिख दो कि ये 4 natural हैं, ये 2 organic हैं, बाकी synthetic हैं. कोई 2 organic चले गए तो भी वो organic हो गए, कोई 4 natural चले गए तो वो natural हो गए. मतलब there is no labeling norm as such कि how much